Hello friends, today I'm making one of my favorite nourishing breakfast weight management recipe. This recipe is balanced, loaded with a lot of fiber, keeps me full. I feel energized and satisfied the entire morning. This is so healthy, you want to try and you will love it to add in your wellness routine. This keeps you healthy all the time and you are always vibrant and energized. So the first thing you want to do is to get some apples. Yeah, apples are loaded with high amounts of fiber, and fiber helps fill you up. Very nourishing. Fiber helps to improve your digestion, which is what we want. We want to eat food and digest the food so nothing stores up causing weight gain. So you want to slice up your apples. So I use the green and the red apple because they contain a lot of different vitamins and minerals. The red has a lot of antioxidants. The green is very good at boosting your system. So this is what you want to do. You want to slice up your two apples and set that aside. The next thing you want to add in here is this cruciferous vegetable, cabbage. It is equally fiber based. It helps to fill you up, improve your digestion, and very healthy for weight management as well. So you want to wash your cabbage. You want to use half of your cabbage. So you divide your cabbage in two portions and you're using one of it. This is very filling, and if you're looking to manage your weight, stay fit and healthy, this is the recipe you want to fall in love with. It is so healthy and will load your system with a lot of vitamins and minerals for utmost health. So this is what you want to do. You want to slice up and the cabbage, and when I slice this up, I wash the cabbage thoroughly again so it is clean and healthy for use. Now the next thing I add is some oatmeal. This is equally very healthy. This is heart friendly. Oatmeal is very good if you're looking to maintain a healthy body size. This is so healthy and heart healthy as well. So we want healthy natural food, and this is it. So this is a cup of oatmeal. This is 1 cup of oatmeal. You want to set that aside. I equally add in some cinnamon. Cinnamons are very good. They are very good to add in your recipes. They make your recipes taste so good, refreshing. Plus, they have a lot of natural medicinal benefits they do to your system. I add in some citrus fruits as well. They are very healthy. They boost your system, boost and improve your digestion, which is very good. So what I do is I squeeze out the juice from my orange, from 2 oranges. So this is the juice from 2 oranges, and just watch what I do with this. This is the last thing I'll add in this recipe. So you want to just squeeze out the juice and set aside. So these are 2 oranges you want to set aside. Very refreshing. This will leave your system so fresh and hydrated and improve your health. So the next thing you want to do now is to put in your ingredients in the blender. I put in the apples first, and then I add in my 1 cup of oatmeal of oats. Then I go ahead to add in my cabbage, the shredded cabbage. You add in the blender. Just blend everything nice together. This is so good. This is one of the healthiest recipes you want to have for breakfast, and very nourishing. Will leave a lot of nutrients into your system, and I hope you enjoy it. So you blend, 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 blend until you get everything to a nice smoothie. Yeah. So this is it. My go-to breakfast recipe. Very healthy and very filling. So you want to put it in a pot. Once you blend everything, you want to put it in a pot. So we are making something like a puree. Put it in a pot, and then you just on low heat, you just keep stirring, stirring, stirring on low heat, like you see me doing. So nice. You know how you make your oats, but if you add in these fruits, vegetables, it just improves everything and load this up with a lot of nutrients, a lot to nourish your system for you to stay fit and healthy. Yeah. So this is it. On low heat, you want to cook. And this is equally fiber based, which is very good at improving digestion, improving your overall health, and very good recipe if you're looking to manage your weight and stay healthy. This is very good. So give it a good stir and just let it sit for like 3 minutes on your stove. Don't cook for so long. And this is when I add in my cinnamon. It makes it taste so yummy. I love some cinnamon. Yeah. So, and this tastes so good. You know, apples have a very good flavor. So you don't need to add any extra sugars in here because it already tastes so good and yummy. Very healthy recipe. You will love this recipe. It tastes so yummy, will fill you up, improve your energy levels, improve support digestion, and leave your system healthy, load your system with a lot of nutrients. You know, apples contain a lot of vitamins, cabbage, very good. All the fruits I used, vegetables in here are very good at promoting good health. So this is it. This is our puree. It is ready now. And the next thing you want to do is to turn off your stove so the stove is off. This is the last thing you add, your juice. This just makes it fresh, rejuvenated, and very hydrating. This is so fresh, refreshing. When I say you will love this recipe, trust me, you will love it. It is so yummy, healthy, and nice. So just mix everything to one consistency. Healthy breakfast recipe you will love. So this is it. Put it in your bowl. Look at the consistency, so nice. You want to consume this as your healthy breakfast recipe. Add it in your wellness routine, your weight management routine, and trust me, you will always stay healthy and fit, and you will love your health. So go ahead and eat this. Share the video with your family and friends. It is important we all stay healthy and looking good. I hope you like this recipe. Go ahead and try it. Come back and tell me how you feel about it. This is some in the pot. You can share with your friends at home. This is very healthy, safe for everyone, and a recipe you would just love. Yeah. So this is me, Risa. These are the recipes I go for to always stay healthy, looking good. I hope you find this video helpful. You want to share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't yet. And I'll see you again. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.